Hello everyone, welcome back to Apnalogic. I am Khushal. And if you want a high-level internship in AI research or advanced technologies with the stipend, accommodation, and the real research experience, then this opportunity can seriously change your career. Today we are talking about the Geo's summer internship, which is basically a research internship 2026. And the shocking part is there are only 10 to 12 seats available. That means way less opportunity we can say. So let's see what is exactly this internship. So this is not a normal internship. It is an research-driven internship where you will work directly under the faculty members on the real projects. That means you will gain the real-world AI and research exposure, also hands-on the project experience, and also gain some strong academic and industry learning. And the domains are amazing as my opinion, as like artificial intelligence, then multi-model system, also material science, then semiconductor physics, also marketing, consumer behavior, and etc. The tech and non-tech students can apply for this internship. So let's see some program information. Let's see what are the important dates for this internship. So first one is application deadline. So basically the application deadline of for this internship is 17 May 2026. Means almost 2 days remaining for the deadline. And the internship will start from the 1st June of 2026 and the internship end date is 31st of July 2026. Means it is in 2 months and 8 weeks internship basically. As my opinion, apply as early as possible because the seats, as we already discussed, seats are very limited. So apply as soon as possible. So let's see the eligibility criteria for this internship. In this internship, undergraduate students are welcome from third year, fourth year, and from branch like BTech, BE, BSc, BBA, or equivalent any. And for postgraduate students, second year students are welcome from MTech, MSc, MBA, or equivalent. Also, they have the strong academic background is preferred. That means you have the strong CGPA or the strong, we can just say the academic background and the basic knowledge in your domain is required. That means you are coming from the AIML, then you also know the what is AIML or Python, etc. or anything as you know from related to the fields, etc. also. So even if you are a fresher, your skills matter a lot. So let's see. Okay, now let's see what is the stipend for it. For the undergraduate students, the stipend is of 10,000 per month, and for the postgraduate students, the stipend is 20,000 per month. And the best part is free accommodation on campus. There is a one note as like the food is not included in the accommodation. That means you will be need to pay for the food. So here are some research areas you can choose from those exciting domains as like AI for healthcare, then LLMs, multimodal, machine learning and game theory, also consumer behavior, and then material science, code, etc. Choose as your domain, and you can apply to only one research area. So choose wisely. Remember this. So let's see the application process for it. Here is how you can apply step by step. Step one, prepare your application documents. Means strong CV means resume. Highlight your project skills as you know, as you hands-on, or just my opinion. Uh, in which area you will research that area related skills or projects you need to add in your resume and update that CV. And then second one is research synopsis of 500 to 1000 words. That means minimum 500 or maximum 1000 words. Outline your interest in a specific research theme offered by our faculty, and also mention why you choose the topic and how your background prepares for you it. And in this synopsis, in short, In this synopsis, you will be explain why you choose those topics and how your background fits in the research. So let's see the step two for it. Subject line formatting. In subject line format, the application for the summer research internship 2026, the format you need to send the email in the format as like format for it. Application of the summer research internship 2026 as it is, then followed by your name, and then followed by the faculty name or the research area in which you want to research. As example here, you can see. Now let's do the final, the step three, submit by email, send email. That means you need to send the following documents on this email with attach your CV, means resume, then a synopsis, and also your academic documents, means the academic mark sheet. If you are undergraduate, then attach your all semesters, university recognized mark sheet as you have mentioned. You can also attach your 10, 12th mark sheet and all the semesters mark sheet. There are some important note, you can go through it. And now let's see the selection process for it. So let's see, there are some three stages. First one is a primary screening and review. In that, they will check your academic performance, projects and skills, quality of your synopsis that you research on any specific area. And then the step two, faculty interaction. In faculty interaction, they will maybe schedule a virtual interview. In that, they will ask some technical questions and check your problem solving ability or research mindset. And the final step, stage three, which is a final selection or communication. In that, you will be receive the internship confirmation email on your email. So let's see the some important instruction for the applicants. As like don't apply the don't apply to the multiple domains. Then don't submit a weak or copied synopsis, means not just an copy paste from the ChatGPT or any AI model. And don't apply late because the seats are only limited. And for this internship, you must have a laptop and you must be available for the full time from 1st June to the 31st of July. So this is all about this internship. So just I want to give you some my genuine opinion for this. If you want to get selected, follow as like first build a strong CV with your project skills and the academic performance showing that. Also second, revise all your basics in your domain, as like I'm from AI ML background or data science, so I revise all the Python or related skills. And then third, write a original and clear synopsis, means you not to select, you don't select it if you just copy paste from any AI model. Just research on it genuinely and submit a general paper. And fourth one is add the GitHub or project links in your resume or in email, so it will be really beneficial for you, as like they are get easily reached to you. And most important, show your interest in research and learning. This is important. So that's it for today. If you are serious about the AI research and career growth, don't miss this opportunity. And if you want the resume or CV template or the research synopsis sample or interview questions, just comment me the internship. I will provide you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.